Well, taxes can be hard to figure out, so we oftentimes pay someone else to figure it out for us, which can cost hundreds of dollars, making it out of some people's price range. But there's a free option you might not know about. To tell us more about it, Ralph Gildehaus, the Senior Program Director of MDC, now joining us. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, thank you so much for coming in. This is a
Absolutely.
topic. Taxes, we know every year, but we got to get it done. We got to get it done. So you're saying there's a free service that people can use. Tell me about this service.
There is. It's accessible through ncfilesfree.org, and it uses an online service called the Benefit Bank, which allows people to complete and electronically file their federal and state income taxes for free. So people who are individuals filing singly, $65,000 or less, or married filing jointly, $95,000 or less, can use this free service. There's never a charge to use it.
Well, when you say free, we all get excited. So I actually, I ended up using a different service, and I paid about maybe around $100, and I was like, oh my goodness, that's half the refund that I got right there.
That's right.
How much do you think families could save from doing this?
So for some people, it can be $100 or $200 or $300, depending upon where they go. This is particularly important for modest income families who might be claiming the earned income tax credit, because you know, that's their hard-earned money. The earned income tax credit is meant to help working families make ends meet.
Yes. What are some tips that people can, some last-minute tips? Because the date is now Tuesday. You got it Tuesday. For any of those people living under a rock, Tuesday is where the last day to get taxes in. That's the deadline.
Okay, so a couple good tips. One, if you go onto ncfilesfree.org, if you're in that income range, you can create an account through the Benefit Bank and find some checklists on there to get all the documents this weekend you're going to need in order to file your taxes by Tuesday. So, you know, you can assemble those all and then use the Benefit Bank to file your taxes for free. Another tip I have is if you can't make that Tuesday deadline, don't panic. You can file for an automatic 6-month extension. You go onto the IRS website, you go onto the North Carolina Department of Revenue website, fill out those documents. A lot of people don't know, though, if you're going to owe money, you need to pay what your estimated amount, because otherwise, even if you file for an extension, you could be liable for penalties and interest if you owe, even when you get an extension. So definitely get an extension or file by Tuesday.
Okay, as you guys can see, he's saying to be proactive. Even if you don't have it all together, be proactive and don't just let the deadline pass. That's always good when it comes to finances. And that website, one more time, let's pop that up there.
Sure.
And then also tell people what documents they need. I'm sure they need an ID, and what documents do they bring with them?
So people who are employed will need their W-2, their bank statements, you know, basic information that is on these checklists. People who are self-employed will need their 1099 form. So that's all laid out on these checklists that you can access through ncfilesfree.org.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here, helping the community. A lot of people out there definitely want to take advantage of a service like this. Thank you so much, guys. Remember, April 18th, that's Tuesday, taxes are due.